Meet Mike and Anna, two happy homeowners who moved to South Florida to enjoy the beautiful sandy beaches and the home of their dreams. Sadly, one day that dream almost came to an end. Their home was hit by a tropical storm so strong it raised a surge of water and flooded their entire home. To make things worse, their water pipes broke and the water damage created an electrical short on the panel, creating a fire. Mike put out the fire and spent the rest of the night trying to salvage what he could during the disaster. The morning light revealed the extent of the damage, and if that wasn't enough, Mike smelled mold. He was so upset he thought about writing the place off and selling the home he loved. But after searching for help online, ABC Restoration came to the rescue. Mike and Anna found that ABC Restoration was ready to respond 24/7. Rushed to arrive at Mike's home in less than 45 minutes, directly billed their insurance company. He could trust the home he loves in their hands. Like a superhero with a league of restoration experts, ABC restored the entire home, removing the water and drying the floors, carpets, ceilings, and walls, added dehumidifiers and antifungal agents, removed ash and soot damage created by the fire, and eliminated the smoke odor. ABC remedied his mold problem with state-of-the-art specialized air scrubbers. Like a great superhero, they restored the entire home and left it as if nothing ever happened. So if you're in Mike and Anna's shoes and experiencing a water damage, flood, mold, fire, sewage backup, or other disaster, contact ABC Restoration today. Night or day, 24/7, we respond fast. Fully licensed, certified, and insured. Direct insurance billing. We are experts at home, commercial, and industrial properties. No job is too big or too small. Let us do the job right the first time. Call now for your free evaluation and estimate. Solve all of your water damage problems with one phone call. Best price, best quality, best equipment, best response team. Call ABC Restoration now.